Derek Treneman. I'm here at a project we're working on, and I'm just going to show you a little bit of fireproofing work that we're doing. It's very important that all the particular firewalls are fire stopped correctly and tagged. I'm just going to show you a few instances where obvious fire stopping was sealed, but also some areas where things occurred by accident and had to be sealed afterwards. Here we have a bathroom with a 60-minute firewall between a kitchen and a bathroom, and you can see the surfaces passing through the wall here have also been fire stopped. They're tagged with a tag which explains that it's a fire seal, and if it's tampered with or broken, they must contact the fire seal company. Here we have surfaces which were installed into a lightweight compartment wall. The surfaces themselves have been fire stopped with an intumescent putty pad, but prior to installing above the ceiling void, the electricians had installed cores into the wall in order to feed the surfaces down to the actual junction, to the electrical boxes. You can see here the surfaces have had to be resealed and tagged. This location, the surfaces are passing from a room into a corridor. This is a fire rated wall, and as you can see here, it's constructed of a lightweight gypsum stud. A letterbox detail has been installed with fire bat installed in between and a tag installed to complete the work. In this location we have ventilation services which are passing through a fire rated wall. You can see here there are fire dampeners installed in the blue, and on the right we have services also passing through. Both services are tagged, letterbox detail created through the gypsum metal studwork, and fire bat installed and appropriate seals put on. We have a fire door, and we're going to do a quick inspection on the fire door. So the very first thing we'll look for is we see that there are side glass panels, so we're going to look to see if we can see the marking on the glass. So we'll look around the edge of the frame and we'll just see where we can find the marking. The marking is located up here. It's kind of tricky to see that there, but you can just see it there, and that's the marking on the glass. We'll also check the bottom panel and the glass on the full height vision panel on the door. We look for the signage to say what the fire door is. So this is a fire door keep shut sign. We look also for the action of a closer, and we will also look for a frame seal. So this has been previously sealed between the frame and the wall with an intumescent mastic. When we then look at the door, we'll follow on to have a look at the hinges to make sure all the screws are intact inside the hinge. We'll check every hinge. We'll also check the intumescent brush seal, that it's continuous and that it continues down to the floor. After that, we will have a look at the top of the door frame, make sure that the tag is on the door identifying the door, and we'll just test that the door closes within a 20-second period.